So the fit is finally getting the rear suspension dialed in today. I am awaiting arrival from UPS. I one day shipped some coil springs from the homies over at Reaction. Joel, I love you. Thank you, brother. Got that situated. I'm waiting on them to arrive so we can fix the fitment on the fit. Bro, I'm telling you, it's literally been driving me crazy. My stresses as a 29-year-old man is having weak rear fitment. As you can tell, I need to grow up. I have a new kid. Life has been lifing lately. I'm gonna take the initiative and I'm going to I'm going to take the initiative and I'm going to get the fit already prepped and ready to go. So once he does get here, I'm able to just swap in the new spring, set height, and then we're on our way. I'm so stoked to finally have proper fitment. And then maybe we'll film another cinematic video. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, maybe I can get some rollers of the fit. Interesting. So we've all been hit with that dreaded check engine light, that ugly, annoying ABS light, and how super annoying it is having to drive to the parts store to get a code read and even see if the employee have time to even read the code. But I think I have a solution that might help us all. Introducing the Ansel FX2000. This OBD2/EOBD plus CAN scan tool, it supports all of the 10 modes of OBD2 test and is able to diagnose the 4 main systems of worldwide mainstream models such as engine, transmission, ABS, and airbag. Equipped with a 4-inch TFT color display, reads and clears codes on engine, transmission, ABS, and the airbag system. Also comes standard with auto vehicle ID, which auto detects your vehicle once you plug it into the OBD2 scan tool port. With my recent coilover install onto my fit, I accidentally think I broke an ABS sensor. I don't know which side, I have a code for it, and now with this FX2000, I'm able to read it and see what the heck's going on. With the car on, OBD2 scan tool plugged up and ready to go, we can now see what's going on with this ABS code. Anti-braking system, and we're gonna see what's going on. Right front wheel speed sensor circuit malfunction. We now know our passenger side speed sensor is the issue here. This took me less than 2 minutes to figure out instead of having to drive to a parts store, wait in line, and hope to see if we get assistance on having someone to come out and read our check engine light code. And the best thing about this, it's affordable, especially with my discount link. If you fix the issue and want the code erased, you can do it. So if you're anything like me and you hate the inconvenience of check engine lights, ABS lights, SRS lights, and you want to diagnose it on your own instead of having to go to the parts store and hope to see if you get any assistance, then be sure to click the first link down in the description box below and grab yourself your very own scan tool. And since I love y'all, I do have a custom discount code down in the description box below as well. Take advantage, and you too can figure out that you messed up your ABS sensor. A quick little garage update. It's not much, but I did kind of clean it up a bit. I don't know. I mean, it looks a bit clean to me. I mean, it's not too bad. I still gotta button up stuff over here, but dude, I'm trying to make the best of what I have. But this side's pretty nice. I got my Torco fluids all situated. Rob's fender, that's just here that I took, whatever. I also spec'd out the best pressure washer settings I think money could buy for under, I think, $120. This Harbor Freight pressure washer was on sale for like 63 bucks. I bought this shortened spray nozzle wand thing from Amazon. That was like 15 bucks. Then I bought a 25-foot high pressure hose, which is like another 20 bucks. So like under $120, bruh, I got like a fire pressure washer setup, like dumb fire. The Civic is actually gonna be up on all fours today, or maybe tomorrow. I received my package from Professional Awesome, and I also received my package from Swift Spring. Shout out to Reaction again for linking me up with Swift. I'm gonna give you guys a real in-depth video on how to set your suspension properly, because now that I know how to do it properly, I think it's right that I lead the homies into setting up their car properly. So when you go to the track and you think you got maximum droop and your bump stop set correctly, but you're rubbing on every turn, I got you, bro. I got you. So look out for that video. That should be here shortly. That should be here shortly. Let me get the fit backed up in, and then, oh my God, look at this fit, man, dude. Look how, oh my God, I think the e-brake is up, and it's still high. Like, look at that. And then you look at the front. Look at the front, bro. Look how perfect that is. Ugh. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and reverse back in the fit and start the process of getting this taken care of. Cause this, nah, this is just terrible, terrible. Bro, my UPS man is coming right, pause. My UPS man is here right now. Look at the time, bro. Oh my God. So as you can tell, it is indeed the next day, and my springs came last night at 9:33. That's crazy. The UPS man was running so late, he's talking about job security. I'm finna snitch. But now that I got everything I need, let's go ahead and slap on these springs and dial in this fitment, man. For size comparison, let me show you. No diddy. So we have the stock spring here, and then we have the new spring. Look at the difference.
Big difference.
No difference.
Keep in mind, the reaction coilovers are not like a Function Inform or it's another company that just makes lowered coilovers. I can't think of them right now. Reaction are performance-based coilovers. Like if you go with Silvers or if you go with, what's that other company? Neomax, I think that's the company, whatever. If you're buying a performance-based coilover that's not gonna make you low, then don't expect to be dirt nasty, dumb low, okay? But I dialed in the fitment the best I can. Like, dude, I maximized everything. I removed collars, I removed the little spring isolators to, bruh. I removed everything, and this is what I got. Bullets may fly around, but I'll lay down. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little cinematic. Probably not my best work, but it is what it is. This man's in awe of my cool. It ain't even gonna track your face, it's gonna track me. But if I go like this, all right, man, I'm out of here. But yeah, he's in awe of the Osmo Pocket 3. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway for y'all. I think that'd be sweet to do like a free giveaway, kind of. I don't know how I'm gonna do it or where I'm gonna find the funds to do it, but I do wanna give one of these creator combo DJI Osmo Pocket 3s to one of y'all for Christmas. I'll figure that out. If I don't figure it out, I'm sorry for even wasting your time by me explaining that I want to do it. But yeah, let me show you guys the fitment of the car. So this is how it looks. So I had to do some things to make it do what it do, but this is the lowest it's gonna go on a 6-inch 8K spring. I don't have no spring isolators on the car at all, but the fitment is perfect. Well, it's good enough. Like, it don't match the front necessarily, but it's the best I'm gonna get it. The best I'm gonna get it. But I hope you guys enjoyed. But I think I did excellent considering the coilover system I do have are literally made for performance racing and not being a low boy. But the fronts can go a lot lower, but the rear suspension setup on Fits and 8th gens don't really allow that much unless you do some custom stuff or get custom spring rates and things of that nature. But out of the box, this is what you're gonna get from a reaction coilover set. And honestly, I'm stoked. This looks pretty freaking good. Whoa, what are those? Just what's that stain on you? You finna get roasted, bro. Is that doo-doo, bro?
No.
That's not dookie?
No. So, I washed these sweatpants 3 times. I don't know what this is.
That look like dookie, gang.
How would you get dookie all the way down there?
You got something crazy going on with your system, gang. Yeah, this is it though. Fit is fitting. I do get my clear taillights today, so before I close out this video, we are going to be installing some new taillights onto the Fit, and we'll see what it looks like. Hopefully it looks good. I think it'll look good. The red does accent off the bronze really nice with the blue, but I think clears is gonna look amazing. Clear taillights just always bang, so we'll see what it does. I'm pretty stoked to see how it comes out. Pause, far it out. I guess we'll see. So a lot of you guys know that next year I really plan on taking my driving more serious. And with me doing that, things can get a bit expensive. So to help offset the cost, I turned my Civic into a sticker. You can have your very own JDM FA5 Civic. So if any of you guys are interested, I do have these on the website. $5 free shipping, and it helps go towards getting that butte back at Sebring and various other tracks around, hopefully, the country. Instead of states, we can go across the country. That'd be dope. Before we end today's video, we're gonna do a taillight install of the JDM Clear tails. I ordered these bad boys from this guy right here off eBay. This guy is the GOAT, bro. Haru's Japan, bro, is a GOAT. Shipping is fast. I ordered these, what, on a Sunday? Today is Thursday, and they're already here. And I think these don't have the blue tint, which I don't like. I actually like the ones without the blue. I don't see the blue on this. But hopefully these are just the complete all clears. The OE taillight, and here we have the OE taillight. Cause yeah, if you didn't know, these are actually Stanley OEM taillights, clear OEM taillights, fire, and they got LEDs. All right, so which one we rocking with, boys and girls? I know there's a couple y'all that be watching. We're going with the red and white, or we're going with the clears? Clears are fire. Dude. Clears are fire. Hot hatch status. But I love how clean the red looks though. Like the red gives it a much cleaner look, like modern unk status look. And this gives me 19-year-old Zosh look. Yeah. Taillights have been installed. Before I start the filming of the next video, let me close out this video by showing y'all the taillights. Even though you guys have seen them already, but yeah, Randy hates these taillights. He's a hater. We're at Randy's crib right now. But yeah, man, that's how the Fit's looking. What do you guys think? Keep the clears in or swap them back out for the red? I think the clears are fire, bro. Dude, this looks good. I did break a bolt, so I gotta go buy a bolt. However, it looks good. I am a fan. I am a fan. Freaky. He a 69 God. That is going to wrap it up for this video. I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, go ahead and just, yeah, bro, just do that for me. That'd be greatly appreciated. And everything that I mentioned in today's video will be linked down in the description box below, so check out those links. And thank you to today's sponsor. With all that being said, I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.